be showing you guys how to draw Rangoli. So let's get started. I'm drawing it on a piece of paper and with a crayon, but you guys can draw it on your patio if you're in apartments, or if you have a patio in your own house, or you can do it in front of your door, or you can do inside your house in front of the door. So now we will need 4 dots here. One on the top, one on the bottom, and one on the right and one on the left, as shown. Now we need a dot right in the middle, like this. Now we need to draw a line from top to bottom, from middle to bottom to middle, and then from left to middle and right to middle. Okay, now we need to draw a line diagonally like this. And then we need to draw another line diagonally like this. Okay, now we need to draw hawks. Okay, so now we did that. Now we need to draw something like cones in the middle, tracing the outline, but in the middle, actually. Guys, take your time to gently color it in. I'm doing it a bit fast, but I am still coloring it in quickly without getting it out of the lines. Okay, now we're gonna get the next ones. Okay guys, I'm gonna come back right when I'm done. Okay guys, so now I finished drawing the things. Okay, now I'm gonna trace. Not trace, but like outline the petals that we drew like this. Like this. And in the center, we're gonna draw like a circle right here and color it in. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, turn notifications, and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you guys. Bye.